In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer in Mafia Definitive Edition. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon. Double click on the trainer exe. Select yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use: infinite health, infinite ammo, no reload, super accuracy, no recoil. To turn on the cheats you like, get back to the game. I show you guys it's all working. Infinite ammo and no reload. Everything is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.